Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to design anything with ChatGPT and Canva. Okay, first things first, inside ChatGPT, you need ChatGPT Plus. This is the version that gives you access to plugins. If you don't have it, you'll need to upgrade from the free version to use the Canva plugin. Canva and this Canva plugin are free to use. So, once you have the ChatGPT Plus, just go to Settings and then Settings in Beta and make sure plugins are activated. Next is to go to the Beta tab and ensure that there's a check mark next to Plugin. Click then the drop-down menu and go to the Plugin Store. In the Plugin Store, just search for the Canva plugin and click Install. In the drop-down menu, just make sure that Canva is checked. Now, you are ready to use the Canva plugin with ChatGPT. To activate it, just simply provide a text prompt that requires Canva, such as create a social media post for Instagram for my Black Friday sale. In using the Canva plugin, once you have activated the Canva plugin, each post comes with a preview, and you can choose the one you like. Just click on the link above each post to open the Canva. This link will take you directly to Canva, where you can further customize your design. Inside Canva, you can adjust the colors, add elements, or even upload your logo or other design elements. Canva then offers a wide range of customization options. When you are done editing your design, you can then save or download it. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now design anything with ChatGPT and Canva. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.